Welcome! We are glad to announce that the newest Samsung Exynos devices are now supported in EUB mode with Chimera for many procedures, including FRP removal, lost mode removal, serial repair, MDM removal, bootloader unlock, and many more. In this video, we are going to show you how to read network unlock code from your device. You can check if your device asks for a network unlock code if you put in a SIM card from a different carrier. If your phone asks for network unlock code, ChimeraTool can help you by reading the code from your phone. To do this, you need to connect the device in EUB mode, using test point. Then go to the Network Factory Reset tab and click on Read Codes. Once the procedure finished successfully, disconnect the phone from your computer and reconnect the battery, then power on the phone. After that, you can enter the unlock code. There are two types of codes you can extract. The master lock code is needed after the 3 unsuccessful unlock attempts when your phone asks for network PUK or master unlock code. The network lock code is needed when your phone asks for network PIN code or network unlock code. Thank you.